Morning, everybody. This is a bill of lading. A bill of lading accompanies all outgoing freight, has a number of pieces, what's on it, how much it weighs, handed off to the trucker when they come to pick up. Allie issues these in the morning, and they're essentially our shipping instructions. That's how we know what's going to go out each day. And the the end of the day, when freight is being loaded up and sent out, can be a little hectic around here because a lot of times we're finishing the jobs the same day that they're due. So anything that we can do to keep things organized on our end is going to help us uh, have less anxiety and freakouts when the trucks are showing up. So before Eric left, he told me to think magnets. So I thought magnets, shipping, and we just happen to be surrounded on the shipping desk by huge magnetic surfaces. So we've got this simple improvement. At the end of the day, Michael just comes here, pulls this off. Throughout the day, it reminds us of everything we have to send out. Very lean, very simple. Magnets. What can't they do?